If your eyes look good but the portrait still feels wrong, this is why. Most artists focus on drawing pretty eyes. The problem isn't the eye. The problem is drawing eyes without structure. Eyes sit inside the skull, not on top of the face. Before drawing the eye, I draw the eye area. Socket first, planes second. Same eye, completely different portrait. Good eyes don't save a bad structure. Improving your art isn't about drawing better eyes. It's about seeing the face in 3D. If this helped, I'll break down more drawing mistakes like this. Comment which part of drawing you struggle with most. See you in the next one.